Today we're making Play-Doh, homemade Play-Doh with natural loose parts. So we're starting with 2 cups of flour. We're adding 1/2 cup of salt. We're adding 3 tablespoons of cream of tartar. This is the real secret ingredient of this recipe, and you can find cream of tartar in your local grocery store in the spice section. We're going to stir the dry ingredients so that they're well mixed together. And we're adding 1 cup of boiling water. Make sure that you have a parent or guardian with you for this section and you're really careful. Add 1/2 cup of cooking oil. And then mix all of those ingredients together. You can add food coloring here if you want to. We chose to go with just the natural color that the Play-Doh would take on. And you're mixing that together so that everything is well incorporated. Play-Doh is such a fun activity for the young and the young at heart. Never a bad idea. So we flattened our Play-Doh down onto a tray, and we have a plate full of natural loose parts that we gathered from outside, things that had fallen on the ground, different leaves, flowers. We're taking those and we're pressing them into the Play-Doh to get a really interesting imprint. And then things like this piece of wood can also be used as cutting, or the stem of this flower for poking holes. These kinds of loose parts can really be up to the individual, the child that's using them, as to what they want to use them for. So using natural loose parts with Play-Doh, homemade Play-Doh, is a really great way of teaching a fun sustainability activity to young children. And there you have it. Look at how beautiful that is.